Imagine your immune system as a vigilant security team, but did you know it has a quirky sidekick? Meet the sneeze. When your body detects an invader, like dust or pollen, it triggers a sneeze to expel the intruder. But here's the twist. Sneezes can travel up to 100 miles per hour. This rapid response is your body's way of saying, "Not today, invaders." It's a fascinating blend of speed and defense, showcasing the immune system's unique flair. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's quirky superhero in action. Hit like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.